Hi everyone, welcome back to Super User Projectile. Today we are going to be taking a look at some tips and tricks for Safari. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is the reader view. Say you're reading something like this, and this site doesn't have very many ads, but say you're on a site with lots of ads and you want to get rid of them. All you have to do is go up here and enable reader view. Isn't that so much nicer? If you want to change the background color, the font size, or anything like that, you just go to here. And you can see all these options. So if we wanted to change the background to more of this color here, and then let's pick a different font like this maybe. Just change that up. Maybe we want it a little bit smaller. Nice. Now say we accidentally close out something that we wanted. All we have to do is hold down the plus button, and it will have our recently closed tabs. We just tap the one that we want and it will reload. Let's say that you want to use a website not signed in, or a website isn't working right and you want to see if it's because of your cache or other things like that. All you have to do is tap this button here, go to private and tap plus. This will open up a new private tab like it would on a fresh device. Be sure to look at the Safari option in the settings app. There are things that you can change here, like the search engine suggestions, Safari suggestions, quick website search, preload top hit, and many others. Also in there is the option to clear website data and other things like that. Just tap it and confirm. This is if you're having any problems, you've tried private, sites work good in private, you want to do that. If you want to request a desktop site, like the version that you see on a computer, you just tap this little arrow and go to request desktop site. This will reload the page in the desktop form. So if you're using a site and you want the computer version, that's all you need to do. One last thing, I'm sure a lot of you know this, but if you want to make a bookmark, you just go to here, add bookmark, and name it. This will add a bookmark to your new tab page. That's it for now. We will see you next time.